Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be looking at these. These are the TWS-02 wireless Bluetooth earphones and they come from Proze. So let's get the box open and let's have a look. So opening the box, we can see that we get the earphones themselves inside the charging carry case. There's a small leaflet to ask you if you're enjoying your product from Proze. And there's a box with everything else in. And in this box you get a set of extra ear tips. It's like large and small ones. The medium ones are already fitted to the earphones. A very short micro USB charging cable. And last but not least, an instruction manual. Now this is obviously going to tell you how to charge it, how to pair it and all that good stuff. So, first things first, I'm going to actually take off the protective film. So, having a look around the case first, around the back is the micro USB port for charging. On the top is a clear acrylic lid. And round on the front is a nice little Proze logo and a little button, and when you press it, it flicks open. Now the earbuds are inside, and in between them you can see that there's this little button. Now if I press this, it lights up the lights in the middle there, which show you the charging capacity of the case. So in terms of charging, the earphone should last about 3 hours on a single charge, and the case will charge them up about 4 times after that. So it should give you about 15 hours worth of charging in total, which is pretty nice. So the earphones will take about 30 minutes to charge up each time, and the case about 3 hours. So while they're charging, as you can see they are now, the earphones actually glow red. And that'll change to blue when they're fully charged. So getting the earphones out of the case is really easy. They're just held in by some little magnets, and they're not very strong magnets at all. They're very easy to take out, as you can see there. So now they're out of the box, let's have a look at this in more detail. So in the middle there you have a clickable button. It's not a touch sensitive one, which I think is better in some ways because it's very easy to accidentally touch the touch buttons and end up turning them on when you don't want to, when you're trying to put them away or take them out of your ears. You have to be careful how you're handling them. These ones are actually a lot better in my opinion because you don't need too much force to click the button down, but when you do, it is a tactile click and you know you've actually pressed it. So around that button you've got the LED ring, and like I said earlier, it glows red when it's charging and blue when it's fully charged. And when you take it out of the case, it goes black. Now using that button you can control phone calls, you can control your music playback, and you can access your voice assistant like Google Assistant or Siri. What you can't do is change the volume. Unfortunately, you have to go back to your phone for that. Now, looking at the shape of them, they have this little loop at the top. Now, that is quite flexible and it does help it stay in your ear. Now, they've got an IP67 rating, so you'll be fine going out in the rain or down the gym if you get sweaty ears. So I've got to say, these are really comfortable in my ears. Obviously you can change the ear tips to get a better fit for yourself. The medium ones that came with it are absolutely perfect for me, as they usually are with most of these TWS earphones that I've tried. So in terms of sound quality, they boast what they call premium HD audio with AAC as standard, true deep bass and CVC6 noise cancelling. Now the sound you get while you're using these in stereo mode is really very good. It's very crisp and very clear. I've got to say they really do have a very rich soundstage, but as far as the true deep bass goes, I find it to be a little weak, a little too much on the light side for me, if I'm honest, for my tastes. It's not a deal breaker for me though, these really do sound very good. So how much do they cost? Well, the Proze TWS-02 on Amazon are just under £50 at the moment. And I think for that you're getting a really nice pair of good sounding earphones. So I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check them out for yourself in more detail. So give this video a like if you liked it. Got loads more videos coming very soon. Best way not to miss any of those is to subscribe below. It doesn't cost a thing, and if you click the bell notification icon, then you'll get to see when I upload any more videos. And why not watch one of our other videos on the left hand side of the screen right now. So thanks for watching, and I will see you later.